Hey there, do you know what this is? Be honest. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and unique shellfish in the world, the geoduck. This mollusk, known for its unique appearance and impressive size, is highly prized in Oriental cuisine. Let's learn more about it and how it's used in delicious dishes. The geoduck, native to the cold waters of the North Pacific, is a type of shellfish that can live over 100 years and weigh up to 3 pounds. Its curious name, pronounced geoduck, comes from the Lashitsi language, meaning dig deep. In Oriental cuisine, especially in China, Japan, and Korea, the geoduck is considered a delicacy. Its crunchy texture and mild flavor are highly appreciated, making it a valuable ingredient in many dishes. The preparation process of the geoduck is an art. First, the shellfish is carefully cleaned. Its white, firm meat is then thinly sliced, revealing a soft and delicate interior. Each slice is a perfect combination of crunchiness and tenderness. In Japan, the geoduck is often served as sashimi, where it's sliced thin and enjoyed raw with soy sauce and wasabi. Its unique texture and mild flavor provide a one-of-a-kind gastronomic experience. In China, the geoduck is a popular ingredient in hot pots, where it's quickly cooked in hot broth to preserve its crunchiness. This method enhances the natural flavor of the shellfish and makes it the highlight of any meal. The geoduck is also used in salads and fried dishes, showcasing its versatility in the kitchen. Whether raw, cooked, or fried, the geoduck offers an unparalleled culinary experience. So, the next time you visit a fish market or a seafood restaurant, don't miss the chance to try the geoduck. This extraordinary shellfish is a true gem of Oriental cuisine, offering flavors and textures you won't find anywhere else. Tell me, would you eat a geoduck? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more culinary curiosities. See you next time.